Hey, looking for an inexpensive convertible? Summer's not too far around the corner. Here it is, 1995 Ford Mustang convertible. Particular car, 3.8 liter. Underneath the hood, automatic transmission. Now this car has been repainted. You can tell on it. A few miles on it too, 211,000 miles on it. We just had some recent look like brake hoses, some brake lines. There's some receipts that go along with it. They're in the center console. And once again, if you're looking for an inexpensive convertible, top goes down, you want to have a little summer fun, here's one that won't break the bank. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of the hood, check out the interior, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Riding on the stock wheels that it came with, disc brakes. Of course, it does have a power top. The top is black vinyl with a rear glass window. Interior cloth bucket seats. You can see they show a little bit of wear, considering, you know, the car's got a few miles on it. Actually, seats, interior and stuff, pretty nice shape. Again, check out the still pictures. Look it over close. Remember, we do take trades. That's where this one came from. It was actually traded into us. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Double check with your sales associate. You call in or email. Of course, 95 last year of the horizontal lights before they went to the vertical tail lights. Still pictures, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. I'm going to pop the hood open, and we can sure buzz the top up for you too to show you that. Looks like they've reinforced a little bit as far as a couple screws in the door panel there. Let's go ahead and start it up so we don't have to listen to that beeping. Like I said, a few miles on it right there, 211. That appears all the gauges work. I do have the parking brake on because I ran the top up and down a little bit ago. Well, aftermarket Pioneer stereo. Dash and what have you, nice shape. Looks like it could use some rear speakers on each side though. Notice that also. I'm going to go ahead and pause this. I'm going to pop the hood and run that top up so you can see what kind of shape that's in, and we'll take a look underneath the hood. Alright, first off, let's check out the top here. Like I said, black vinyl. Again, considering the miles and age of the car, I'd say the top's in pretty darn decent shape. Just a little bit of kind of wear around the edges, but nothing that's going to stop the performance of the top and how it's supposed to work as far as going up and down and or keeping you dry in the car. Doesn't look like there's any rips, tears, holes, anything like that. Like I said, just a little bit of wear around the edges. Alright, let's slip up 3.8 liter V6 underneath the hood. Appears to be a smooth runner. Again, if you're looking for an inexpensive convertible, it's not like this one's going to break the bank. Have a little fun summer car. 1995 Ford Mustang convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation in this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.